Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're trying this Hershey Deep Pretzel. It's a bite-sized pretzel deep in milk chocolate and drizzled with dark chocolate. This is new. Let's try. So guys, the privilege of working in a chocolate shop is you can try all this chocolate for free. Yeah, this Hershey is made in USA. It is crunchy salted pretzel, deep and drizzle for delight. So it's a little bit salty, but I think it's not so sweet because there's drizzle of the dark chocolate. I love the crunchiness and not so sweet. It's nice for having a snack over the coffee, and it only costs $16.10 Singapore dollar. Well, it's a little bit pricey for me, but maybe you can try and you will like it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.